Morning YouTubians, Gary VW Jawbreaker. It's currently 5:30 in the morning and we're setting up for the No-Do VW show. I know you can't see crap. Stick around, I'll bring you back. Well, it's getting a little later now. Place is really starting to fill up. I cannot wait to take you guys around and show you some of these rides. But right now, I'm on guard duty, so I need to get back.
Look, it's my baby. I know, my sweetheart. I know, my sweetheart.
All right, so found this beautiful ragtop oval, and this is
Jason Clark.
Jason Clark. Where are you from?
Right here, DeLand.
DeLand, perfect. Dude, tell me about this freaking engine, man. This thing's cool.
It's the original 36 horsepower from 54, and it's Judson Supercharged.
Judson Supercharged 36 horsepower.
Yep, brings up to about 40.
40 whole horsepower.
Yeah.
That is cool. That is cool. Thanks so, man. And doesn't your car have a nickname?
Olive oil.
Olive oil. Look at this thing. Gorgeous. Man, you would not believe this thing I just found. Check this out. What's up, man?
How are you, young man?
Doing well, how are you?
Any better, I might be twins.
Well, what's your name? Where are you from?
I'm from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. My name is Bobby Kuhn. I'm here with my girlfriend, Karen Wright.
Nice to meet you, Karen. Dude, and so we're doing this No-Do engine thing. Tell me about your engine.
Okay, it's a 2276cc engine with an FK43 cam.
Nice.
Street eliminator heads.
Whoa.
With match-ported manifolds, CB race rods, and all the other good things. The motor was built by Paul Ripa at JB Bugs in Jensen Beach, Florida. He's the man.
Very nice, very nice. Man, thanks so much for taking a second.
All right.
I appreciate you.
You're welcome. Have a great day, young man.
Except for the lights.
All right, this is beautiful, beautiful. Tell me about your bug.
Hey, it's a 1963 Beetle.
Where are you from?
Ocala, Florida.
Ocala, Florida. Tell me about your engine, man. Let's check this thing out.
Well, it's got an upright air-cooled engine, 1915.
1915.
Little goodies on there.
Man, that's beautiful, dude.
The little
Beautiful.
custom airbrush work and some custom pinstriping.
It's absolutely gorgeous. You're right. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. And people have seen you before. Where have they seen you from?
Well, we're sponsoring a V-Dub factory.
V-Dub factory.
Got all my parts, and that's where we build the car.
Look at that. Yep, so if you need parts, at VDubFactory.com, they can hook you up. Check them out. All right, so I found this sweet looking panel.
Hey, how you doing? My name's Dan. This is my 1961 logo panel.
Nice.
I've had it for a few years.
And those are all original logos too, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Those are all original logos from the 60s.
Where are you from?
I'm from Newport Richey, Florida.
Nice. Tell me about your engine, man.
This is 1641 dual carb.
Nice.
I like to drive it all over the state of Florida.
You do drive a lot.
Yes, sir.
Man, it's awesome seeing you, Dan.
Yeah,
Thanks, brother.
Absolutely. Take care.
You too, brother. Yo, check out this bay. This thing is sweet. Here we go. So what's up, brother?
Hey, what's up, man? What's going on, man? How are you?
So, name, where you from?
Man, my name is Damien from Tallahassee, Florida.
You drove from Tallahassee to Port Orange.
All the way from Tallahassee to Port Orange.
Bro, tell me what engine you're running.
Simple, man. We keep it simple around here. This is a stock 1600. Nothing special to it. Just clean, taken care of.
I love it.
And all the way from Tallahassee to here, alone, by myself.
By yourself. I cannot believe you did it without the family, bro.
Yeah, just the bus and I. That's it.
Man.
And we'll be going home this afternoon.
Yep.
All the way back.
All the way back. Best of luck, man.
All right, man. Thank you.
Safe travels, man. Good seeing you again.
Thank you. Take care.
It was meant to be, man.
There you go.
Now, you guys are not gonna believe this beautiful ragtop oval that I've seen before. You guys may recognize it, but check this out. Original 36 horse. Joe and Teresa didn't want to be on video, so I did it for them. Thanks, guys. Man, this is one good looking bay window, man. What's up, dude?
How you doing today?
What's your name?
Jeremy.
Jeremy, where you from?
Kissimmee.
Kissimmee?
Yeah,
dude,
man.
Tell me about the engine on this thing, man.
I got a 1800 cc back there with dual 40mm carbs.
Dude, I gotta go see it, man.
Yeah.
You mind?
No, check it out.
Man, sweet looking bus, dude. Love the
Appreciate
color
it.
of it. Everything's gorgeous. Get yourself a nice looking Type 4 in there. Dual carbs. Beautiful bus, man. Beautiful bus. Thanks for taking time out, Jeremy.
Anytime.
Appreciate
Thanks meeting you.
I know you guys have seen this awesome freaking bus before. Check it out. It's my buddy Pete.
What's up?
What's up, Pete? Where you from, man?
Amelia Island.
Amelia Island. Where is that for people that don't know?
That is as far northeast Florida as you can go before you either hit water or jump the pond to go to Georgia.
Oh, dude. So tell me about your engine in this thing, man. What is it?
Stock 1641.
Okay. And you drive this thing everywhere, don't you?
Yeah, pretty much.
Look at that exhaust. Freaking badass. Heck yeah, man. Look at that. Don't need lots of power. Just need to get out and drive your car. All right, now this is beautiful. Do me a favor. What's your name, man?
Cameron. From
Cameron?
Tampa, Florida.
Tampa. Tell me about your van, man.
It's a van we've been building for the last year. It's an 87 weekender that we turned into a camper.
Nice.
This is really our first trip out from Tampa. Put a few miles on it this weekend to see how it's going to do.
This thing's gorgeous, man. Tell me about the engine in this thing.
This one actually has a conversion. It's a 97 2.0 Jetta motor. That's in
No
there.
way.
Yeah, so it's been converted from the old water boxer
Yep.
to an actual Jetta motor, 2.0 liter.
No way. Turbo or not?
No, it's non-turbo.
Okay, so NA. That's cool though. Still a little bit more reliable. Still nice and peppy.
No, she has plenty of power and very dependable compared to the original water boxer. that they had in
Definitely.
them.
Definitely. Man, thanks so much for
Thanks,
taking the time,
yeah,
dude.
Take it easy.
Have a safe
Halfway
trip.
around, a little better than halfway around the lake. And I've got a friend here with me, everybody. Ta-da! Gary from VW Jawbreaker and Levi from Levi's Backyard.
What's
Doing a
up,
little
guys?
Filming.
Little bit, man. You
Very
enjoying your
cool.
day?
Yeah, having a great time doing
Awesome,
our live
man.
stream today. So what have y'all
Awesome.
seen so far?
A lot, so much, my eyes are bleeding.
There's a lot to see here. Hey, oh, video feedback.
Have fun,
the
man.
official YouTubian himself.
Oh boy, look at that.
Very cool.
We'll see you
All
soon.
right, take care, guys.
Man, there's this crazy looking Pink Floyd looking bus here. Holy cow. This thing is insane. Oh my gosh, it's Wild Bill from Pensacola.
Let me get my sunglasses on. Hey,
Right here, man. Woo! Dude, I found the owner of it. Hey man, what's going on, dude?
How's it going?
Good, man. Gary, what's your name?
Jim.
Jim? Tell me about the Baja, man.
So it's a 56 Baja.
56 oval
So,
Baja.
Oval Baja.
What?
Yeah.
That is a true oval.
And just so you know, I didn't cut it up.
No hate for this guy, no hate. Where are you from, man?
So from Ormond Beach.
So you're not far from here?
No, totally local.
Okay,
So-
but do you drive it a lot?
I do. It's a daily.
It's a daily.
Yeah.
Tell me about the motor, dude.
So it's just a little stock 1600,
Okay.
and that's about it. I mean, it pushes, 31's great. I can run it about 60, 70 miles an hour on the highway. So,
Perfect.
yeah.
Dude, thanks so much for taking the time to show me the bug, man.
Take it
Have an
easy.
awesome day.
You too.
Man, check out this sweet buggy. Hey man, I'm Gary. What's your name?
Glenn.
Glenn, nice to meet you. Where are you from?
Yulee.
Where in the heck's Yulee?
North of Jacksonville.
North of Jacksonville, up there by Georgia?
By Florida-Georgia line.
Man, did you drive this thing all the way down here?
Sure.
Heck yeah, man. Dude, that's what it's about, driving your Volkswagen. What kind of engine you got?
That's just a stock 1600.
Stock 1600, and it made it down here no problem, didn't it?
No problem.
No problem at all. Man, thanks so much for your time. Have yourself safe travel,
You
sir.
too.
Man, that's some nice cars. Wait, these guys look familiar. Check it out, man.
Hey.
This looks like Abby.
Hey.
Is it two guys in a bug?
How's it going? Yes,
Man,
sir.
check it out, man. Two guys in a bug. All right, so you're Chris.
You know,
Where are you guys from again?
Winter Springs.
Winter Springs, and you guys drive the daylights out of this thing, right?
Yes.
Yes, you do.
Yes, he does.
Tell me about your engine real quick. What are you running?
Well, this is a pretty stock 1641.
Pretty stock 1641, I like it.
Yep.
And you're running this to college back and forth daily in this car, aren't you?
Yep, pretty much, yeah.
Man, hey, go over to Two Guys in a Bug, give them guys some love. They definitely need it. Man, this thing looks familiar. Hey, excuse me, sir. What's your name? Where are you from? Huh? Can you speak up into the camera, please? Can you speak into the camera, please, sir? I'm sorry. What was that? Where are you from? Oh, okay. Well, maybe I'll go around to the other side. Maybe somebody else over here. Excuse me, sir. Do you talk dog or do you talk human?
I usually talk dog. Sometimes I can translate with cat, but it's typically gibberish.
Gibberish. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, your passenger.
Catterish.
Okay. Well, your passenger, I couldn't understand.
Yeah.
So you look familiar. Do I know you from somewhere?
Yes. I come from a land far away known as YouTubersville.
YouTubersville.
Yes.
Okay. Where the YouTubians live.
Yes, we're a happy lot.
We're a happy lot.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
So this is Vandemic, right?
Sure.
Project Vandemic.
I don't know if that's the name or not. Let me know.
Okay, we'll let you know. But
yeah, but it's been Project Vandemic.
Project Vandemic, you can check out on Haptic Garage. Do me a favor, what engine are you running in this?
A 1600 cc, as far as I know.
It's a 1600 cc.
It's just stock-ish.
And I know a lot of people know that you're a little behind on videos, but
they've all seen this.
But you drive this, don't you?
All the time.
You drive it quite a bit.
I drove it today.
You drove it today, and this. And this little 1600 does you just fine, doesn't it?
I'm quite happy with it.
It's about getting out and driving your Volkswagen.
It's been very reliable. 9
Excellent.
o'clock the other night, I needed to make a trip, so 100 miles round trip, didn't even worry about it.
There you go.
It's not totally honest.
Well, that's okay.
But that's what I tell people.
That's what we tell people, and that's all they need to know. Thanks so much for your time, Brent.
Yeah, good to see you again, Gary. Y'all take care.